Hey there everyone, Fatty here from Pack a Punch Traders. Just want to go over my two trades today and the absolutely insane day we had. Momentum was definitely back today. Let's see here. So my main watch going into the day was Muln. I was just looking for a quick reversal, first green day, bounce day, multi-day bounce. So right from the get-go, I thought this was the best play in my eyes because I was eyeing it for a while. But at the same time, this whole pre-market and going into the open, it was holding up above VWAP. And if we compare that to the past few days, since it's been on the downtrend, each open, it's been the opposite. It's been below it, or it's just cracking it and failing to hold up above it. So going into today, when I saw that it was holding above VWAP and the volume was starting to come in. There's strong volume, and I took a quick starter right at the open, and then I added more into the hold here as it kept holding VWAP and the open, or excuse me, the open price and the previous close here. So I totally saw a momentum shift, and not too long later, we get a nice rip. I sell at 89 cents. Wish I was patient. This thing ripped up another 30 cents from where I wanted, or a little less than that, but or right around that. Um, it got to 122, so it was a little choppy, but this was the momentum shift that I was looking for, and I took that quick snipe. Didn't look back. There was plenty of plays today. We got Indo that was holding up, gapped up, failed to break down, um, and shorts just got destroyed. You know, once again, they took their shot again here, kept making higher lows, volume kept coming in, kept holding trend, and it just kept going higher. Got to 80, we'll just call it 87. Um, so we got nice momentum from the energy sector. The other one was Impp. This one went on a tear, about $6 from when I was buying yesterday. The 240s or 250. I forgot. Wrote not yesterday, on Friday. So yeah, solid gap ups. This was a beautiful breakout play. The 280s. These are familiar charts. If you look at INDO, IMPP, if you go to packapunchtraders.com under our free material, we got a bunch of screenshots of different patterns and sector runs and whatnot. So if you go to this, you could kind of see the similarity in these daily charts here. How they just fail to keep breaking down. Um, Usually they're doing nothing. It's usually a great short, and it's just this time around the momentum's on them, is behind them, and shorts are failing to take them lower like what they're used to with these plays, and they just keep heading higher. You can see here some really nice ones from the past couple years. Um, Same thing, just different sectors here and different tickers. So very nice to see. Another insane play today. HUSA on a tear, getting above 500%. Huge gap up, fails to break down. Open price reclaim with the VWAP hold. You get the short squeeze, and then it fails to break down again. You see the strength with strong volume on the day. Shorts are failing to take it down, keeps making higher lows, keeps holding VWAP. You just line up all your bullish indicators together with the right sector. You just gotta be patient and just take it off. Um, I'm starting to sound a lot like I did last summer or the summer before that, or it was last summer. Sorry. Um, but yeah, and here we got 9. This one took off after hours. I had a nice call on this and trade on this from 267 to 313, just 700 shares. A little disappointing. I didn't get the size that I wanted, but regardless, 2 for 2 on the day. Just seeing this failure to break down. It's in the right sector. Relatively low float for the volume it was kind of doing. So when I saw that it was coming back to reclaim the open price and reclaim VWAP, I thought we can get a retest of the 360s, which was the year highs. And we definitely got that and more. And here we are after hours taking off. It's up in the fives now. So we'll see what plays are offered tomorrow. But really, the gist of it is look for failure to break down. Be a little patient. Um, and in this market, if this does continue, it's okay to chase. Once it confirms it's going to fail to break down again, shorts can't take it down again, you get another move up. It's another short squeeze. And same thing that happened after hours. This thing totally failed to break down once more. And then after hours, shorts had enough, takes off. I don't even know if there's any news. I'm just looking at the sector that these tickers are in because the energy plays are really taking off. And we got Useg as well. Solid play here. If I was watching this all in the high, in mid fives right here, it's making this solid cup and handle almost. It's high or low, holding VWAP. And you get the fat short squeeze. Low float, low market cap, doing good volume, rotating it. So many plays. There was many opportunities today. But as you can see with all of them, you're just looking for something to suck in the shorts. We got this little perk here that really led to this move because it failed to break down and there was other plays in the energy sector taking off. So they all kind of followed each other. This one failed to break down. Shorts just got destroyed again. USWS, this one is still holding up and spiking here after hours. That's impressive. Totally forgot about this one. Past few days, but kind of choppy compared to the other plays. You know, this is going from 140 to the low twos over a couple days, while we got HUSA and 9 and Indo, Impp, Muln, they're going that same percentage run all in a day. ENSV is another one. Solid gap up and failure to break down. Here we are taking off again after hours. Low flow, as you can see, I'm saying the same things. So just recognize that pattern. Besides that, it's really just controlling your emotions. And you just gotta follow the trend, be patient, stick to your cut, your stop loss. Besides that, you know, shorts are gonna want to get out of their position if this is failing to break down with all the buying going on. So yeah, and so it was a nice one. There's a couple nice overnight plays here that might continue. But for Impp and Indo, I am done with those. Oh, I forgot about BCell. Okay, this one's gonna be a potential multi-day bounce now. Oh yeah, this is, as you can see, not the healthcare sector. This is an energy sector. Healthcare couldn't continue, even though this thing had a beautiful run, going from 170s to mid sevens all in a day. It couldn't sustain it compared to INDO, Impp, where those were in the right sector and momentum continued for those. So this one will be a good play for tomorrow, I think, for potential bounce play. Even though it is not in the right sector, I will keep an eye on it just because this is really just a pattern. You just gotta wait for the bounce to happen. Same thing with Muln. I wasn't totally in the right sector, but it is, I believe, EV. It's an EV play, so kind of underneath with the oil and gas plays, but we'll see. So B-cell, this is my bread and butter pattern. Takes off. Now it's just like a bouncing ball. I'm waiting for shorts to cover once this starts failing to break down. And now that we have a first red day set, I'll be looking for the failure to continue lower and for momentum to shift and just look for some shorts to cover to lock in their gains. And I will take that spike and not look back pretty much. So yeah, so we'll see what happens tomorrow, what tickers are offered. I'll still gotta make my watch list for the day, but solid 800 something. 1 second. Let me calculate it. That's my correct password. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, so 816 on the day. Pretty good. I'll take it. There were a lot of plays, could have made more, but just trying to stay consistent, not get caught in any panics, just take my quick gains and move on. So yeah, what else is here? Oh, just not the right sector. We'll see what happens with that. But yeah, right now all focus is any energy plays popping up. We take a look at the scanner here. Move this over. A lot of energy plays, as you can see. So that's going to be my focus for the week until the momentum there dies out. But for now, that's where my focus is going to be. And just simple. Looking for low flow, high, we'll just call it low supply shares and high demand, high volume. Ideally, it rotates the flow, holding trend, making higher lows. The same thing that I've been saying. Just looking for all the indicators that show that shorts are failing to take it lower. They're going to end up having to cover their position, leading to more buying. And that's how you get monster moves like we have been getting. You just got to be patient. So before this thing gets extra long of a video, I'm just going to wrap it up. Yeah, so study up. Got plenty of information out there. Also some good book recommendations. I have not updated the video lesson. I don't post my video lessons onto the website anymore. It's just on YouTube. But nonetheless, the website does have some good information from history. So, yeah, we'll just wrap it up there. Hope everyone has a great day. Enjoy the profits, for all longs at least. We'll come back tomorrow and see if this momentum continues and see what plays are there to go another 100, 200%. It'll be exciting to see what happens tomorrow. So let's rest up, study, and get ready for another day tomorrow.